Hello guys, welcome to Tech Addiction. I'm your host CJ. And on Tech Addiction, I'm a young IT professional who focuses on open source software, smart home tech, and cool tech of the sort. This video is going to be about 3D printing and R&D. So, yeah. So I'm going to show you the final product first, and tell you what I had to do. So I picked up the IKEA coffee pour over thing, but you see how it doesn't stand up quite. So I built this. This is 2.5. The reason why it's a half step and a full step is that this should have been version 2, but messed up on it. So now here's version 1 with some heat melted because so you can tell it's kind of bigger. So size comparison, definitely bigger. Black. Yeah. Okay, in my defense, I used to use whatever color filament was on the printers. Black was on that one. So the idea was to have it be able to support itself straight up out needing the lid here. But inserting something like this where you're on top of it, so trying to see where you put stuff in, it's not the easiest. So that's version 1. Version 2 improved on the design. Rounded insert so it auto guides to the hole. Made it smaller because realized didn't need it to be so big. Then didn't count for the seat height. Yeah. So it's supposed to be trying to line it in like that. Yeah, that doesn't work. Doesn't work with the thing off, but came to a realization I'm not making any coffee with that thing off, so it doesn't matter. And if I'm cleaning it, I just don't need to clean it like that. And auto models have a straight through bottom, which actually is a key feature. The straight through bottom allows it to have any more coffee that's still in the beans that are ground, so it'll just drip out. One thing I'll do in like version 3 is put grooves in if I would go to that version, but this is version 2. Version 3 or 2.5. You can tell it's slightly taller than, it's like 2.5 taller than it. I can tell you, since I don't have the calculations on hand. I think it's like 60 now. Okay, 50. 50 up, so, and this should be about 20 if I remember correctly. Yeah, 20. So this is 2.5 times bigger than this guy. And since now you can see, now you don't have to exactly do your precise hit on the hole to get into it. Also increase the diameter is like 26, so just play here. This is fine. Same for this one. Not for it. See, this is me trying to put it in the bottom, and I can't do that easily. I had to force it. This is because the water melted actually didn't realize that this wasn't a cup, and the water melted, and the water heat from my kettle did that. So version 1, 2, and 2.5. So I just drew up a quick sketch on my iPad. You put it onto a simple platform in Tinkercad. Yeah, Tinkercad. This is an online browser, so no point of me. It's free. Just sign in. Then made the model, 3D, saved it as SDL. Use my school printers, and Bob's your uncle. I have prints. So yeah. I guess this would actually show you the size comparison. If it's into the, if it's the hole. So yeah. So this is R&D in a nutshell. You have a product that you want to build, aka a stand. You test it out, see what you like, see what you don't like, improve. So, do I regret this? No. Is it helpful? Yes. Use it all the time when I make pour-over, which will probably be tomorrow's coffee. This is one of the biggest reasons for 3D printing, is to 3D print your prototypes to your final design, so you don't have to worry about it ever changing. Like, subscribe, dislike the video, dislike this video. And is it more of the process? I just showed you behind the scenes of how people do. If you want to watch more behind the scenes, watch Zach Freeman. He makes good 3D printing content, and he explains over the IKEA effect. So yeah, I highly give him a shout out. And yeah, say I don't know what I'm gonna do. Where after a piece.